Let's break the answer for question number 49. Choose correct options for TAD, service item category in SAP ECC or S4 HANA. Let's try to break the answer for this question. So, A, delivery related billing. This is absolutely wrong. Service item has valuation clause. This is also wrong answer. Service item relevant for availability check. Since it is not quantity based, there is no availability check. Service item has valuation clause because this is also not quantity or value based. This is wrong answer. Delivery related billing, you don't have delivery itself, so this is wrong answer. Service item has, okay, order related billing. D is the correct answer. No schedule lines for service item. D is the only the right answer for this question. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe my channel. Currently, I'm holding 900 plus videos, 5,960 videos. This is my dedicated Udemy forum. I'm just providing these links below of this video. If you're really interested, you can able to subscribe and utilize an opportunity. Thank you so much. Wishing you all the best. Have a great day. Jai Bharat.